Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Voxies token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Voxies Tactics is a free-to-play 3D turn-based tactical RPG game designed in a ratio style. The developers of this virtual universe took inspiration from the classic tactical games of the 1990s and 2000s, but with modern game mechanics and update in mind. The game offers two main playback models called exploration and battling, which incorporates game mechanism inherent in RPG games. Voxes in-game mechanics, market gears, crafting, PvP battles is the main driving force behind the demand for Voxes token. Voxes is the native utility currency of Voxes Tactics, which allows players to purchase weapons, armor, and other in-game items. The token is available in the secondary market, which means the VOXEL token can be purchased within the game and then sold in the secondary market, just like Voxies NFTs. Voxies is the role-playing game project built on the blockchain technology, where user can play Voxies tactics and take advantage of the VOXEL token, earning rewards in the process. Gamers can explore the Voxtopia world of challenge other users at the PvP arena. Upon winning, players receive VOXEL token and in-game NFT items. Voxie's project institution rating is 3.7. And this project audited by Ceretic. Voxie's token total supply is 300 million and circulating supply is around 254.48 million VOXEL token. VOXEL token is listed on popular exchanges like Coinbase, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.